What if I say, I know, you know? What if I told you I like you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I like you? I know, you know. What if I told you I like you? We stay.
Hello guys, good morning. Introduce, my name is Royantin Sastriani from the 11th grade of high school, and I will explain again about the explanation text material. Next material. Explanation is a set of statements constructed to describe a set of facts which clarifies the causes, context, and consequence of those facts. Material next. On this occasion, Ryan will discuss about text in English. There are types of English text among others. There are written namely descriptive, procedure, narrative, result, report, review, anecdotes, proof, and news item. Next material. Each text has a different purpose and structure, but this time we will discuss specifically the meaning, purpose, characteristic, generic structure, and example of explanation text. Next, in this session, we will discuss the meaning of explanation text. What is meant by explanation text? Explanation text is a text that used to explain the way, process of something happening, especially with regard to natural phenomena, the scientific world, or socio-cultural. Next material. Its purpose is to tell the reader or listener how something happened. An explanation text usually comes from the author's question regarding the why and how an existing phenomena. Next is to explain the process that occurs in the formation of something or activities related to natural, social, scientific, cultural, and other phenomena that aim to explain why and how this can happen. Next, characteristic of the explanation text. One comes from the author's question related to why and how. Two, written from the phenomena. The focus of the material is not the person or person but on events or object. 3. Use the simple present tense. In simple, she goes to Medan. 4. Use the action verb. Example, they drove my car last night. Next characteristic. 5. Use passive voice. Simple, fried rice is being eaten by Annie. 6. Use noun phrases. Simple, your painting is so beautiful. 7. Use adverbial phrases. Simple, the turtle walks very slowly. 8. Use general and abstract noun. Example, had is an emotional feeling of woman that express displeasure about something. Next character. 9. Use gauging of time and causes effect. Example, before you go, please close the door. Generic structure explanation text is the introduction of an event that we are going to tell, or a general description of the event. In the general statements contains a general explanation of the phenomenon to be discussed. It can be in the form of introduction to be phenomenon, its explanation. Next, a squint of explanation is an explanation and how the event occurred. In this session, the writer can write more than one paragraph. A squint of explanation is an answer to the question why and how. When the writer makes an explanation text, the sequence of explanation can consist of more than one paragraph. Next, closing. Closing is the conclusion or conclusion of the story. Actually, the closing is not listed in the generic structure of the explanation text, but most people assume that the last paragraph of the explanation text is the closing, even though it is part of a sequence of the explanation sequence part.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see